So today we will be talking about the whitebark pine, Pinus albicaulis. This majestic beauty is native to the northwestern United States and southwestern Canada, where it grows in subalpine and high elevation biomes. This species, it protects watersheds by regulating snowmelt runoff. Its roots stabilize the rocky and poorly developed soils, preventing erosion. And for these reasons alone, whitebark pine could be considered a keystone species in our amazing high mountain ecosystems. Not only does this tree have ecological importance, but it is so important to our indigenous cultures of our region. There are many tribes that have called these mountains home for centuries and have built a strong relationship with all the plants and animals. Whitebark pines can also be known as bird pines because they have these large nut-like wingless seeds that are high in fat and protein and are important food sources for many birds and mammals, and in turn they rely on animal dispersal rather than wind. It has a beautiful relationship with its main distributor, the Clark's nutcracker. These loud squawking birds have strong bills that can extract the seeds from their cones. So they either consume or cache the seeds, and those that aren't retrieved from caches by the time the snow melts, well, those might germinate and become established as seedlings. So what is the problem? Well, whitebark pine populations have declined over the past 60 years due to anthropogenic problems, the introduction of white pine blister rust fungus, and by the increases in the native mountain pine beetle populations. Fire suppression has only amplified these impacts by allowing succession to shade-tolerant species, stressing mature whitebark pines and limiting opportunities for seedling establishment. So we all know that the projected warming and drying trends will likely only compound these problems. 80% of whitebark pine in Yellowstone National Park have been killed due to the stressors that have weakened. And there is hope, however. Whitebark pine has a wide climatic tolerance because of its broad distribution. It also has a really very high genetic diversity. And not only that, but there are many people who care, and a range-wide whitebark pine restoration strategy has been developed to inform restoration efforts for whitebark pine. So join us on May 22nd, 2021, as we stand together to bring awareness to our impacts on our precious animal and plant brothers and sisters. We will be live on YouTube at With Nature 2020. Lum lum, spesiat.